Hey, my creators, I want to show you how you can take a simple clip art image, add some elements and or a background to make many different types of print-on-demand products that you can start selling today. Are you ready? Let's go. Hey, my creators.
I keep it real, simple, and easy to follow. No fluff, just real stuff. That's the motto. Take your time, step by step. Let it flow. You already got it in you, now you know. Are you ready? Let's go, let's go.
All right, my creators, so when you open the template that you receive from me, and this is a free template, by the way, because I want you to just see how easy it is or can be to make designs, okay? So I'll leave the link in the description for you. But I want to show you how you can make such beautiful and easy designs with just 9 simple elements and images and backgrounds, okay? So we've got 4 images, 3 elements, and 2 backgrounds. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a full image from just one of these. So let's take the guy, okay? So he's number 5 or page 5. I'm going to duplicate him right now. All right, and I'm going to open him up. And when I do that, when I open up this page, I'm going to take a background. I'm on page 11 now. I'm going to right click on this background. We're going to create some wall art. I'm going to choose copy. I'm going to go to the one that we just duplicated. I'm going to right click and I'm going to choose paste, and it sets it at the background. So now you can see our handsome image of this young brother right here. All right, so now I just want to add some elements and things around him. So I'm going to go to elements and I'm going to type in gold. And let me just type in gold slash. You know, this is my favorite element in Canva, or one of my favorite elements in Canva. I'm going to click on see all. It's this one right here. So I'm going to click on it. And this is not a free element. It is for pro users only. And once I click on it, it pops right over onto the page. So I'm just going to kind of pull it up here some, and I'm going to click on him. I'm going to right click and I'm going to bring him to the front of the page. Okay. And I can actually crop this down just a pinch. And I still want to, let me move this over. I want to make this larger. There we go. All right, so now I can add some other elements on here if I want to do that. Now what I do want to do, I want to go to page 8 or maybe page 7, not sure which one yet. I think maybe page 7. I'm going to copy this element. Let's go back to our page 6, and I'm going to right click and I'm going to paste that on there. I'm going to widen this up some. I'm going to right click and I am going to send this to the back. Okay, so now we have another layer to our wall art. All right, so let's put him back in the middle. Let me click back on here. I want to duplicate this because I want to flip this one around. All right, and let's grab him. Let's right click and let's bring him to the front. All right, so we got him right here. And now the other thing that I want to do, I created some other images, and these are available in my full pack of print plug and play designs, but I'm going to use this one and I'm going to remove the background. When you receive my images, the backgrounds are already removed. Okay, so it removed the background. I love this. And now that I'm looking at it, This background right here, I'm going to delete. I don't really, that red is not the red that's matching here. So I think I will just leave that off, or I might use the other one. I think maybe this one. I'm going to copy this one, go back to our page 6. Let me right click and paste. Yeah, I think that is the one that I want. And I'm going to right click and I'm going to layer it and I'm going to send it backwards. Okay, perfect. All right, so it blends in well with the word on the bottom with this text image. I love that. So now you have a beautiful piece of art, right? This could be wall art. If you want to put this on a mug, maybe you want to gift it to somebody. And if you wanted to do that, you could easily just remove the background. If you didn't want a background on it and you wanted to put this on a white mug, you could do that as well. But I'm going to undo. I'm going to leave that on here for now because this would be like our wall art. Okay. So that just shows you one idea of the type of art or print on demand products that you can make really quickly and really easily with this system. Let's do another one. Let me go back to the grid view and I'm going to use this one, number 4. So I'm going to click on the 3 dots. I'm going to duplicate that page and I'm going to go to the duplicated page and I'm going to create a tote bag or an image for a tote bag. Okay. So because it's going to be a tote bag, I don't want a heavy background on it, but let me go to the rows. Let me right click on this. Let me go back to our duplicated page. Let me right click and paste. And now you see at the top here, you can change the color of the rows. So if this red is not exactly matching, and I think I have to crop this down a little bit. Okay. So if this red is not exactly matching the color in her clothing, you can change that color. So maybe I want to make it closer to an orange. If you look on the left-hand side, Canva has brought in the colors of the images. So I'm going to, let's maybe click on this red. Yeah, it makes it darker, okay? So I'm going to widen this up some because this is going to be our background now. Right click, put this on the back. Layer, send it to the back. Perfect. And now I'm going to do something with her. I think I'm going to add a shadow to her so it stands out against the red rows in the back. So while I'm clicking on her, I'm clicking on edit. And on the edit, let's go down to shadow and let's choose see all. I don't know if I want glow or outline. Let's do outline and see how this one looks. Okay, it's got a black outline. Okay, we're going to have to do some erasing on here. And the reason, first of all, let's make this outline smaller. And I want you to notice something. You see this line at the top? I'm going to show you why that's there. I'll show you that in a minute. But let's make this line smaller. And let's not make the intensity so harsh because we just want a small little outline. Okay, I think that's perfect. Now, what we want to do, click back on here. I'm going to click on eraser. When you click on eraser, choose magic eraser. Now, the reason that you see all of this is because all of these women were on one image and I separated them for you. Okay. So what you're seeing, that black line, Canva realizes that it's more to this image than what just appears to the naked eye. Okay. So let's erase these from her image. And then that black line The one that we don't want should not be there. So it's erasing, and then I'm going to close it. Okay, perfect. So now it is perfect. This is great. I love this. Okay, and so if you want it, you could add other things to it. You could add, if I wanted to add that to it, I could remove the background. This is for people who like, really busy artwork. So if you like really busy artwork, you can have something like that. If you don't like that, you can just, not use anything like that. If you wanted to use that gold slash that we used before, you could use that to give it some depth. If you want it, only if you wanted to, not necessary, but just showing you the different things that you can do, with this. It's so versatile and so easy to work with. I don't think I need this at all, so I'm just going to delete that. So that could be a tote bag. And if you wanted to add some text, just click the T. Let's type in here, soul satisfied. Okay, let's make this larger, and we're going to change the font. Let's change it from Canva Sans to something a bit more chunky. Let's do the Vintage Morning Regular. Let's see how this works out. Yeah, like that. Now let's make it a little smaller. I grab the edges. You can either grab the edges to pull it in or out, or you could actually just go inside of the font size box. Okay, either way. So now I want to move her. I want to click on here, and I want to move this down, but we can't see this very well. So I could put it at the top. I could move the rows down some. If you want it, you can make her smaller. So again, it's just whatever you want to do, right? That's what I love about Canva. It's so easy to use, so user-friendly, I think is the word that I'm looking for. So let's make this, let's see, let's outline this. And let's make the outline color, now let's make the outline color black, and let's make the inside maybe a color that's in, yeah, we could do that, or we could do that. I think I like that one better. Okay, now we could also curve this if you wanted to. Click on Effects, and you could curve this. Where's my curve at? Here's my curve. And you could determine how deep you want the curve or how shallow. I think that might work, and I could actually make this larger. Okay. That might be a little too big. Uh-oh. Pull this over some, and let's curve it a little more. Okay, so, uh-oh. Where's my, here we go. Okay, so there is our image that we just created. So I love that. So just want to show you how versatile this is. So you could, resize these to fit your t-shirt designs, mug designs, whatever designs you're creating, you are able to do that with these. So let's see, I think I might want to even make this orange. Let's see, can we do that? Oh yeah, you could do orange, you could do green, whatever color you want, whatever color your heart is satisfied with, that is what you can do. So again, just wanted to come on and show you guys how quickly and easily you can make some, artwork for your print on demand. Because let's face it, with print on demand, you have to have images, and you need high quality images. So I just wanted to show you quickly how you could do that. So you can see how easy it is to make these designs, and you can make so many designs with just a simple image and elements from Canva and backgrounds. So very easy to do. Also, I want you to remember you can add these images to so many different print-on-demand items like t-shirts and canvas wall art and mugs and journals, just so many more designs. So let me know in the comments what you think about the designs, and also don't forget to check the description for your link to get your free template.
All right, my beautiful creators, thank you for being here with me today. I hope you got something from this video. As always, links are in the description. Please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And remember, the more we create, the less we hate. And I will see you in the next video.